Hello guys, welcome back again to another session of Autocad 2D practice. This is going to be the 8th practice drawing into the Autocad. So today we are going to draw this simple tool. We are going to make this simple drawing. So I'm going to, as usual, I didn't have time to now first of all give out the dimensions of this. So as as I'm drawing this, I'm going to say out the dimensions, and if you watch the command line and the screen, you see how I'm going to enter each dimension. You can take it down for your own practice. Just take the dimensions down and then try to imitate or draw exactly what I'm doing. You definitely get it. There are so many things you are going to learn here. Example, how to use 2 points circle, and so you are going to know how to use some of the tools. So let's get started. So let's not just waste time. Uh, okay, in this drawing, first of all, I'm going to make. Let's start with making a circle of radius 10. Circle of radius 10. So you can type R10. That is R stands for radius. That is circle of radius 10. You can zoom to see it clearly. I can make another. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to make another circle at this point, directly opposite the center at the top. So that circle will take a radius of 1.6. Let's say 1.6. Okay, so from that circle, I'm going to make polar array of 12. So you select polar array, you come to the center, and then enter the number of items to 12, and then have it there. Let's look at the drawing again. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to draw another circle of radius 7. Let's enter radius 7 and draw another circle of radius 5 from using the same center, radius 5. Okay, now at that point I'm going to make a line that is going to be at angle. You type this less than sign to represent angle of 60. Enter. Then you can click anywhere outside there. Okay, I'm going to mirror that line MI, just to mirror. Click the line and take the center, drag it down. Then I mirror the line. Why is this mirror not giving me what I want? I'm sure this is correct. Let me mirror it again. Maybe I've made a mistake. Okay, let's mirror this again. Click this, mirror this. Yeah, this is the correct thing. Okay, so when you mirror that, we are now going to use 2-point circle. So you come to the circle, and then take 2 points, circle there. You click at this point and at this point. You see, you enter again. You click at this point and at this. No, that is not. You go to and take the circle again. You click at this point and at this point, right? And now what I'm going to do is to trim off what is not required. I'll trim off this line, trim off this line, trim this off, and I will delete this line that has the angle 60. Okay, now I have that part. Let's look at the drawing. Okay, we are moving, so we are almost there. So I'm going to draw another circle of radius 3. So you choose this one. This time I choose center circle. You put radius 3, another circle of radius 2. So from there, so let's look at the drawing. Okay, so after looking at the drawing, I can see that I need to draw a line. Okay, this line, I will draw it at an angle of 30, right? Then I will draw another line from the same center, but this time angle of 40. Okay. Now, why did I draw that line? Because I need this part. So what I will do is I will trim off this. Then I can delete the remaining parts, which is not necessary. Okay, I can delete this. And now I have this. What I will need to do next is to use polar array so that I will be able to multiply this by 3. So I will come here to item and choose 3. Okay, so when I choose 3, it will now close. At this point, I can now trim off these parts. Okay, I can now trim off these parts. Alright, so now let's look at the drawing and see what's remaining. Okay, we have the circles below. So how do we draw these circles? So we are going to pick the center circle and then make a radius of 6. Okay, when you do that, you pick another circle. Then at this middle here, at this quadrant, at this point, whether at the top here or at the side here, but let me pick here, you draw a circle of radius 1, right? So from there, I'm going to use polar array to multiply this circle. Take the center. Let's take the center. And this time around, we are going to choose 12. Okay. When you choose 12, we need only, how many do we need? We need only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need only 5. So we are going to delete the rest that we don't need in this drawing. So what we do, we just delete and we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We delete that. And again, we don't need this circle. So what we do, we delete that circle. Now what is remaining now is these parts, this teeth, the part that have teeth here. So we are going to trim that, TR. We are going to trim off all this. We trim this off. Okay, and here we have what is required. As simple as that, as simple as that, as simple as that. So exactly what was required. Alright, we have done everything here. We have done everything here. So as simple as that. Alright, so just get ready for the next drawing we are going to do. So please, if you are following this series, because I call it series because we started with we are starting with 2D drawing of some simple mechanical components, and then we are heading to 3D. So you have to follow us. Yes, you have to follow us. So if you like this, what we are doing, please just click the subscribe button, subscribe, and then start learning. I assure you, when you finish this practice, you'll be able to know how to use AutoCAD confidently. And we are coming back to how to use AutoCAD to do uh, building drawing, like architectural drawing, and then structural drawing. Yes. So I just want to use this as an opportunity to make you familiar with some of the tools and how things are being used in AutoCAD. We are going to do a comprehensive professional structural drawing from architectural drawing. Some of we are going to do our architectural drawing by ourselves, and then sometimes we are going to get architectural drawing and then transform into structural drawing. So bye for now. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.